Slides. Illusions are not the result of fantasy, but the perception of a different layer of reality. People present in the material world are capable of perceiving other realities. Inner convictions can distort a person's objective perception of the world. A slide is something you carry around in your own mind that others are not. Slides distort the perception of true reality. People have a tendency to hang their projections on others around them. Importance lies at the foundation of all slides. As soon as importance disappears, the slide ceases to exist. Outer intention gradually but consistently realizes the content of the slide. Stop battling with yourself and switch your attention from the negative to the positive. Create a positive slide that is pleasing both to your heart and your mind. Look at your slide more often, each time embellishing it with more detail. Never portray an image in your slide that is copied from another person. You will never receive anything that does not trigger your will to have. Allow yourself the luxury of deserving the absolute best. The will to have is the immutable knowledge that you deserve what you want and that it is your choice. Positive slides help you to push open the limits of your comfort zone to include things that previously seemed implausible. Do not treat the slide as if it were just a picture. Live it, at least in the virtual world. Allow in any information relating to the world of your dream. It is not contemplation of the result, but visualization of the process that moves you towards your goal. Rather than contemplating the result, imagine the process of birth and growth. In transurfing, visualization is understood to be the act of focusing on a mental image of the realization process of a current link in the transfer chain. If it is not clear to you how to achieve your goal, focus on visualizing the slide instead. The slide will take you in the necessary direction.